Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapas. This is a place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you all. So today I will be talking about communication skills and why it is so important in business and office needs. So I will talk about some principles that help the reader to improve their communication skills both as a sender, the speaker or the writer, and the receiver, the listener or reader of messages. More detailed guidelines on some specific types of communication is given by a number of researchers which I will be talking about today. So, what do you mean by communication? All communication consists of three elements: the sender who originates the communication, the message that is being communicated, and one or more receivers of the message. Communication occurs when one person speaks or writes a message or uses non-verbal body language to convey a message which is received by one or more people. True communication is not necessarily the message that the sender intend to send, nor it is even necessarily the words that the sender used. It is the message that was understood by the receiver. Clear communication exists when the message is received is the same as the message which is sender intended to send. Why is clear communication become so important these days? And during this pandemic, it has become more important as we are all working from home because it improves efficiency in all the activities. It reduces frustration which rise from misunderstanding. It promotes clearer and more structured thinking. Clear communication involves putting oneself in other person's place. It leads to enhanced understanding of other people and to more effective management of relationships. This does not mean that relationships are necessarily more harmonious, although this may be the case. So, what are the issues? Communicating clearly can be surprisingly really hard work. It is comparatively easy to speak before thinking, shoot off a quick email without considering the impact that it will have or the impression it may make on those who received it. Use words and phrases which mean something to you but which may not be fully understood by others. Assume that the other person has the same background. Be clear exactly what the ideas you are trying to express or convey through your message when you are trying to convey to the other person or the group. What do you most want them to understand? Be clear on that. Maybe it is your team or you are communicating with your client. Make it a two-way conversation. Try to really hear and understand where the others are coming from. What are they trying to say? What messages are they trying to get across to you? Ask yourself, do I really understand them? Pay special attention not just to what they say or but what isn't being said. Then making sense of it all. Always ask yourself, does it what I'm saying make sense? Does the feedback I am receiving make sense? What is the perspective they are trying to get across? Does it make sense that they have this perspective or not? When both the parties in the conversation are truly able to say they understand or that it makes sense, clear and effective communication has been achieved and taken place. You are responsible for any failure to communication as a manager when you are addressing your team. Remember, as the primary communicator, you are 100% responsible for the other people understanding of the communication. In other words, if you don't feel that you are being understood, you have not completed the job of communicating. You must communicate your position to ensure that you have been properly heard. Then can you hear them now? Speak to you loudly. Do you hear really what other people are saying? To really listen require your full attention and be able to feed back to them exactly what you have heard them say. Then, of course, repetition, repetition, and repetition. An equally effective way to make sure others understand exactly what you are communicating is to ask them to repeat back their interpretation of what has been said or asked of them in order to guarantee the results or the reaction you want. You need to make sure that your audience can give you a clear explanation of what is being required of them. It is very important during the team meeting that you people are having. Respect your audience as you respect yourself. To be very clear and effective communicator, you must first recognize that your message is not just about you or what you want, it is about what's in it for the audience. You must both believe in your message and sincerely care about the needs and the unique perspective of those you are communicating to. If you are truly want to be heard, after all, they took the time and trouble to hear what you have to say. So it is equally important to recognize and respect that we each have different perspective based on our position, motivation, and the needs. So friends, how you finding it? There are many tips that I will be sharing with you relating to communication. First, it should be clear. What are the message that you want to give? It should be clear and to the point. Then don't waste time. Come to the straight away point that you want to convey these things to your audience, which may be your team or maybe your superior or maybe the leadership team. Be point to point. Don't beat the bush. Then be slowly. As a Indian, we always tend to speak fast when we are speaking in English, or maybe we are talking to the person from the other countries. So be slow and be clear so you can send your message across the border lines and to your team setting maybe in the same room. Then be patient. Whenever you are speaking something, wait for the audience to react back to you so you can understand and answer their question in a much better way. Think and then answer those questions. Don't be in a rush to answer those questions from your team or any member of the audience. So friends, if you like my thought relating to this communication, which are very important these days when we are working from home and virtually talking to everyone around the world in our offices or in our with our clients, it is very important. So if you like my channel, give it a huge thumbs up, share it, subscribe it. Till I meet next, bye for now. Thank you.